Assalamu alaikum, grade 2, and a very good morning to all of you. How are you all doing? Great. That's very good. Yes, I'm also good. Alhamdulillah. Thank you. And welcome to your social studies class. Okay. So, finally, we have entered into the 14th week of our classes, right? And in all these 14 weeks, we have covered a huge variety of topics. We have learned about new things, we have learned about new topics, why those topics are important, why we are studying them, and how they are helpful in our lives, right? Okay, so in today's class as well, we will be starting with the new topic, and the topic is very, very important. It will be very helpful for you. I'll tell you how and where. Okay, so in today's class, basically, we will be starting with the new unit, that is unit number 5. And the unit is about our past and our present, right? So, our past and our present. Tell me how many of you have learned about the past tense and present tense in English in your literacy class? Yes. Okay, a bit about it, right? Okay, so we will quickly revise that as well. Wonderful. So, let's start with a small activity. You are supposed to tell me the answer of this question, that how many of you remember your last birthday? Do you remember how did you celebrate it? And yes, okay, tell me about how many of you remember your last birthday celebrations, one by one. Okay, I listen to all of you one by one. So let's start with Maha. Yes, Maha. Okay, you remember it. It was on 6th April. Okay, great. And how did you celebrate it? In the garden in the evening time. Okay. Do you remember the cake, the guests who arrived? Wonderful. This means that Maha has a very good memory. Wonderful. Excellent. Okay, let's listen to Ahmed. Yes, Ahmed. Do you remember your last birthday? Okay. How did you celebrate it? And how many friends you invited on that? Okay. Do you remember their dressing? Okay, wonderful. So let's ask Alize now. Yes, Alize, do you remember your last birthday? Okay, how did you celebrate it? Wonderful. And yes, how many how many people? Okay, wonderful. So Alize also remember. So Abdullah, tell me, do you remember your last birthday? Okay. So see, now the thing or your previous birthday, was it if we talk about your previous birthday, so it is in present time or in past time? Past time. Very well done. Why are we calling it as a past time? Because past time is something which has already happened before, right? Something which has already happened, something which has already passed, something which has happened in the previous time, we call it as a past time, right? Like we have finished unit number 3, so we how when we did it in the past, right? And what we are doing now, like we have started unit number 5, so this is our present time, right? So this is the difference between the past time and the present time. But in today's class, our major focus would be on past time. So we will discuss them one by one. Okay. So now, can you tell me about your? Okay, let's discuss it in this manner. That how many of you remember the most favorable or the most memorable day from your past? The day which went very well. Now the memory can be a good, it can be a bad as well. Let's say something bad happened to you and you do not forget that day. Let's say something good happens to you and you don't forget that day. So it can be in both ways. Okay, yes, anything. You fell from the tree. Okay, well, I also fell from the tree in my childhood, and that is one of the memorable day of my life. Why? Because I injured myself very badly. Okay, so I climbed up on an orange tree, and there was this, honeybees. Okay, do you guess it? Okay, so let's guess that I'm just giving you the hint that there was honeybees over the tree, and when I just reached on the top, I found them, and they attack on me, and I fell from the tree. Okay, so that is one of the memorable day of my childhood. So similarly, all of you might have the memorable days, but all of these days, all of these memories are from the past time. Why are these from the past time? Because they have already happened, they have already passed. This is not something which belongs to our present time. Okay, so now I'm going to share some pictures with you that will tell, and through that pictures we will be discussing the things, how things were in the past time. Okay, so I'm going to share the screen. Show me a thumbs up if it is visible. Okay, so is it visible to you? So can you identify this? What is this? It's basically, no, it's basically an old style television. It's not microwave. Okay, it's an old style television. In past time, televisions look like this. It is one of the version of that. Okay, uh, before that there was this most worst kind, or the most oldest kind. Then we have a little advanced, then we have more advanced. Okay, see, we started with the black and white version, then we have the colored version, and now finally we have reached the ultra HD version, right? So all of these things are the advancement of time. Similarly, previously we have these very big and very heavy televisions. Then we have, now we have the very slim smart LCDs and LEDs which we have placed in our homes, and we can easily watch different things, and they have multiple functions as well. Similarly, in past you do not have that much variety of channels and all of things, right? But now we have all of that as well. Okay, let me share the second picture with you. Look at this one. This is another version of an old style television. You see that its button, they look more like, yes, and through these buttons, you basically tune the channel, right? Whichever channel you want to see, you just tune them, and the channel appears on your screen, and you can easily watch them. So you can call this one as a bit advanced from the previous version that I have shown you in the last picture. Okay, let's move forward. Okay, so these are the pictures of some old radios from the past time. Okay, you see that in past time basically people listen to the news, or what is happening around the world through this mode of, right? This was one of the mode of communication for the people, that they listen to the radio televisions. Well, I do have a radio, an old radio in my home, and my mother used to listen to different channels. And so, and I also used to listen to, I have different cassettes for different things, right? Different poems and different types of stuff. So I used to listen to that as well in my childhood. So what basically happened is that previous time, but now people do not prefer radios, right? You have radios in your mobile phones as well, but people do not listen to the news from that. Now you have this facility that you can go, you can watch any news channel live, right, on internet. So you just click on that and you start listening to the news or anything whichever you want to. So these are some of the older versions of radios. Previously we have like this, then it get advanced to this one, then we have this one. Well, the radio that I have in my home is much similar to this one. Then we have one like this and this, right? So but now these radios, whoever have them in their home, might be like a decoration piece at one of the corner in their house, because it is not, yes, it is not used by somebody now. So it is just placed in the corner, and we just clean it, we don't use it, and it is used as a decoration piece, or maybe some of the people have put it in their storerooms for, because it is something which is not usable now, right? Okay, so like we have, I have shown you the pictures of televisions and radios. Similarly, we have all other things, all of the things which we have now, like the mobile phones. If we talk about the mobile phones now, this advanced version has come after a huge struggles, right? Previously you have the small button mobiles which were very heavy and which were very thick as well, but see now in today's time this is very slim. See, these mobile phones are very slim, but previously they were not like this. We do not have the big screens, we do not have this such type of print, we were not able to communicate with people through video calls. We do not have these advanced apps. So all of these things, all of the things which I'm discussing right now, they all belongs to the past time, right? Because they were there in the past time, but now we have the advanced thing. So this phone, this belongs to the present time because I have this now. But all of the other Motorola mobile phones, the Nokia mobile phones, they belong to the past time, right? Okay. Okay, class. So, now what I want you is that you are supposed to ask your at home, when you go home, you are supposed to ask your parent, or if your grandparents live with you, you are supposed to ask them about their memorable day from the past time, okay? And then note it down and share it with us in tomorrow's class. In today's class, we were just supposed to introduce each other with what is past time, okay? And hope you guys enjoyed the lecture. Do share this video with others because it's free learning. Do good and have good. I'll be seeing you tomorrow. Take care. Allah Hafiz.